Good morning, all of you. This is Swati Woodkar. Welcome to the morning conference call. Today, the market is likely to open with a gap up, and we're likely to witness some sort of a positive momentum during the day. Yesterday, we have seen that the Nifty was trading within the very tight range of 23,000, 240 to 23,000, 350 levels. Within that 100 points, it was trading, but somehow it manages to maintain a very strong closing about a 20 days moving average, which comes to nearby it's by 22,270 levels, which gives some sort of a relief sign. On the technical front, as of now, Nifty has a very strong resistance at around 23,440. If today it manages to surpass that level on the closing basis, then such kind of a positive momentum is likely to be continued in the near term uh, trading sessions, which might take a Nifty towards 23,500 to 23,570 levels. Whereas on a downside, the support is placed at around 23,300, provided by its 20 DMA. Any move below that level will see some sort of a profit bookings, which might take a Nifty towards 23,240 levels. The overall view is cautious to positive. As long as Nifty sustains about 23,000 psychological marks, one can definitely hold on their long positions with the strict stop losses. Coming towards the bank Nifty for today intraday purpose, the bank Nifty has a resistance at around 49,740. About that level, 50,000 levels can be tested, whereas the support is placed at around 49,270. Any move below that level, 49 levels can be seen on the downsides. That's it from my end. I request Amit to take the call forward.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, as we witnessed that in yesterday's session, Nifty opened on a gap down note, but managed to hold the supportive levels, and again shown some positive pullback from the lower end. As we look at the overall OI positions on the monthly base, also 23,500 level on the spot front and 23,600 level on the future front. These are the important level for the clearance. Once Nifty spot gives closing about 23,500 level, then we will see fresh long initiation and the range shifting will take place towards the 24,000 to 24,200 level on the upside zone. Currently, market strength seems to be on the positive front, and the long position can be created and new long positions can be created for the target upside towards the 23,500 to 23,600 level on the spot specific front, while on the downside 23,000 will act as an important supportive zone. 23,000 to 23,200 level will be the supportive base for this weekly expiry. Once if Nifty goes below 23,000 mark, then only we might witness some sort of selling, or else buying will be witnessed in this week of trading sessions. Currently, India VIX yesterday closed at 14.35%. India VIX came down sharply from 18 level so to 14 level. Once if India VIX goes below 13 level, then the volatility is likely to get lower. And once if India VIX gets stable below 13 level, then we will see buying momentum to be continued on the upside. So currently stand seems to be on the positive front. New long position can be created with support of 23,200 level. While on the stock specific front, Navin Fluoro, SRF, Bata India, DUSLAP looks positive. While on the negative front, Tata Consumer, JK Cement, Hudco and NBCC looks negative. So that's it from Bio Different. Thank you.
Thank you, Amit. Good morning, everyone. We had covered the result of Aarti Industries yesterday, and on the update from the con call yesterday, the management has revised its overall guidance downward, where earlier it had guided for EBITDA of rupees 17 billion in FY25, which is now revised down to rupees 10 billion. In addition, FY25 capex guidance is revised to around 1300 to 1500 crore, from 1500 to 1800 crore. And also, FY26 capex has seen further reduction up to 1000 crore. The management has projected EBITDA to reach around 1800 to 2200 crore in by FY28. And in the near term, we believe the margin pressure to be continued till the time China continues its dumping, as companies more than 70% of the portfolio overlaps with China. So thus, we remain neutral on the stock. Tata Chemicals posted the results yesterday. Result was below expectations. Revenue degrew by around 4% on a YY basis, and operating margins were reported at around 12% versus 14.5% in the same quarter last year. The stock is trading at a PE of around 22 times to FY26 earnings, and we are seeing challenges for the stock in the near term. Stovecraft Limited posted the result. Result has improved for the quarter. Revenue grew by around 12% on a YY basis, and operating margins were at 9.6% versus 8.3% in the same quarter last year. The company is mainly focusing on the mass segment to offer branded products at affordable prices. It is observing good growth from higher margin products such as air fryers. The management has a revenue guidance of 19% growth in FY25 and aiming to maintain the EBITDA margin at 12% levels. The stock is trading at a PE of around 34 times to FY26 earnings, and we are positive on the stock. Thank you. That's it from our side. I would request commodity team to take it forward. Thank you.
Yes, thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So in today's session, we might witness some profit taking, whereby gold can test 83,000 on downside, and one can initiate a buy around 83,000 with a stop loss of 80 to 700. On upside again, 83, 450, 80, 83, 700 is the level where one can book profits. Wherein silver, we are expecting prices to test 93, 800. One can initiate a buy with a stop loss of 93,000, and on upside again, 94, 750, 95,000 is the level where we expect profit taking. And in metals, yesterday rallied. So buy on depths is a strategy. One can initiate a buy around 834 with a stop loss of 829 in copper, and prices are expected to test 840, 42 on upside. Similarly, zinc also we are expecting prices to test 270 to 72. So buying on dips with a stop loss of 263 is recommended. In crude oil, yesterday we had witnessed prices resisting 6,500 rupees. So for the day, we are expecting some pullback, whereby selling around 63.70 is recommended with a stop loss of 64.50. On downside again, 6300, 62.50 is the level where one can book profits. And in natural gas, we are expecting prices to test 295, 300. So buying on dips around 286 with a stop loss of 278 is recommended. That's it from us. Thank you very much.